Hello, my name is Bloom. Today I will be providing you with a complete guide to Bitget, the fastest growing crypto exchange in the world with soccer legend Messi as its ambassador and the largest market share increase since the FTX collapse. Want to start a crypto trading? If you are thinking about starting a crypto trading, please watch this video to the end. Bitget has risen to the 6th largest market share in the world for both cash and futures trading. It is growing very fast. Please keep Bitget in mind as an idea. Now let's open an account. This time I will be using mobile phone and I'm using an iPhone. Let's get going. First, go to an Apple store. Type Bitget here. Let's install the application and click open. This one is not allowed. 50.0 cashback for new registrations. Let's go ahead and register. You can register by email address and phone number. I will register with my email address this time. Here is my password. Here is your referral code. Please enter khvi in all lowercase letters. If you enter this referral code, you will receive a whopping 30% discount on transaction fees forever. Everyone, please take advantage of this invitation code because a 30% discount is huge. This is an exclusive offer for me. Click on Created Account. Yes, let's choose this order. Okay, you have just received a 6-digit code in your email. Enter the 6-digit code you received here. You will see face recognition ID unlock here, but we will come back to this later. Now, you have already opened your account. That was very easy. Now, let's go ahead and enhance your security. This is the most important point. Please do right now. There is an icon that looks like a human face symbol in the upper left corner of this page. Please click here. Then you will see various items such as Security ID authentication. First, click on Security at the top of the page. Then you will see the linkage with Google Authenticator and click on Authenticate. If you have not yet downloaded Google Authenticator, please do so. Here in the search box will be the Google Authenticator application, so please download this as well and press Next. And copy the key here. Make sure to write down the Google Authenticator code here. Please make a note of it on a piece of paper. If you change your mobile phone, you may not be able to use Google Authenticator anymore. If you accidentally delete the application and all your data is lost, you can quickly recover it by entering this code. Please make a note of this code. Now, we will copy this code. Then, click on the plus sign in the lower right corner of the Google Authenticator. Then you will see Enter Setup Key. Click here. And then I will paste it in the key here. Let's name it Bitget for ease of understanding. Now it is added. And here's the code. Wait a minute. This code is only valid for 60 seconds. A new code has been issued and we will copy this one. I have copied it. Then go back to the Bitget application and paste the code here. Paste the Google Authenticator code. Then enter the verification code sent to your email. Did you receive it? Yes, I will enter the code I received here. Confirmation. You have now successfully set up Google Authentication for Google Authenticator. If you can strengthen your security so far, the risk of hacking, etc. will be reduced and you can rest assured. Please make sure to complete the Google Authenticator settings after opening your account. Google Authenticator is not the only way to enhance security at Bitget. Most virtual currency exchanges offer Google Authenticator in the same way. If you have not yet set up Google Authenticator on other virtual currency exchanges, I highly recommend that you set up two-step verification right away. I truly and wholeheartedly recommend it. If something happens and you get hacked, you will be in shock and will never recover. You will also receive an email from Bitget saying that your two-step verification is complete. Now let's go on to the next step of ID verification. Identity verification documents. Select your region, Japan. Authenticate now. In Japan, you will need to submit a passport, driver's license, My Number card, or government-approved ID card as identification documents. As you can see, the system is completely in Japanese and very easy to read. I think this is also a safe point for beginners. Let's get started with the purchase of crypto. The way to purchase crypto is to deposit and purchase crypto. Among these are buying crypto with fiat credit cards, debit cards, and PTW transactions. This is where you buy directly with the seller. Third parties and bank deposits are also available. The third-party section includes Japanese yen. If you click on payment methods, you will see Japanese yen. So if I want to get 10,000 yen worth of USDT in Japanese yen, there are many ways to pay for this. Visa, Master, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Discover, Diners Club, and so on. There are quite a lot of options. I think most of you probably use Visa or Master, so I'll use Visa this time. I recommend Alchemy Pay for payment providers. I wonder if I got the name right. It is coming up. If you are using this provider, you will pay 0 yen commission. So if you want to buy 10,000 yen worth of USDT in Japanese yen, you can buy it for 68 points for USDT. Then, since it is recommended, we will proceed here. Next. Here, I am happy to see the commission is 0 yen. It is 0 Japanese yen. And the estimated purchase quantity is 68 items for USDT. It means it will take 5 to 60 minutes to receive the item. This is next. If you jump to this page, you can enter your credit card information as you do when you shop at Amazon and press the confirm button below. What a great way to earn USDT in Japanese yen. It's very easy. I think this third party is very easy to use. If you are a first-time buyer of crypto, I think most of your purchases will be in Japanese yen. So please take advantage of this third party. The last thing I ask you to do is to log out of your account. Please do not forget to do this last as well. Just doing this will really help prevent hacking. Here, at the top of your home screen in the upper left corner, you will see what looks like a human face symbol, so please click on that. Then you will see a screen where you can set your security and rewards. In the upper right corner of this person mark, you will see a circle and a hexagonal mark. Please click on the hexagonal one. You can configure your settings here. The bottom of this page is the bottom of the screen. Log out appears here. I strongly recommend that you always log out when you are done using the system. Let's log out. In this edition of our complete guide to Bitget, the fastest growing crypto exchange in the world, I have provided you with information on how to open an account, as well as how to strengthen your security. What did you think? Please leave your comments. If you have any questions, please comment to me. I read everything. Your comments are my encouragement. I am very happy. Thank you so much for watching today. See you again in the next video.